Hey guys, it's Zeus Boy here, and I got a fidget spinner. You know, it came in the mail yesterday, and I wanted it to be white, but where the green is, if you can see it right there, yeah, right there. It's green. I wanted it to be black, but I'm gonna show you guys a trick. Hold on, let me set this up. Alright, I think you guys can see me. I like my fidget spinner. Here's a thumb. I think they call it the elevator. Yeah, elevator. Do that. Very easy tricks. But I really want to show you because I just got this. Let me adjust my camera because I don't like doing it over the floor because I'm very superstitious about it. You guys can see, spinning, still spinning. Not how I want it. Crap. There we go. But see, earlier I was doing that. Oh, I just did it again. But that's all I wanted to share with you. So, hold on. Before I do my outro, I just wanted to say, Zeus Boy is outie.